Hi, I'm Marna, and shame on me, I've been on eBay, and what do you suppose came UPS today? That's a pretty big box, eh? Let's open it up. I think I need to start at the other end, but I'm not sure. It's gosh, I try to be so careful with these dolls. You just never know how these sellers will pack them. And one time I opened Charmin Chatty and I was cutting it, and I was really careful, and it's a good thing, or I would have cut her hair off the way she was in that package. So here we go. I think I'm going to need the knife. I like it when they're packaged where it's hard to get in, because I know that they sealed it well, and that's a good thing. This came, actually it took a long time to get here. I was surprised how long it took. But today, like I said, it finally came. Trying to be ever so careful. What could it be? Let's see. As you can see, I got the girls all out of their 4th of July and into their little play outfits, summer clothes, whatever you want to call them. Oh good, she's bubble wrapped. Okay, take bets. Who do you think is in this box? Could it be? Well, let's see. I probably don't need any Barbies. I'm probably good on Barbies. I would like another Elsa because, you know, 2 Annas. I've been looking for Cinderella, Ariel, and Rapunzel, each in the my size, the big ones, the 38, not the 32, although I want those too. But anyway, let's see who's in this package. I can see somebody's peeking, and I'm going to have to move her before I can pull this out safely. See her grin? She's laughing because she knows who it is. This doll is not in her original outfit, so when we do the cleanup on her, I'm also going to do taking in her outfit. This is a child's Rapunzel outfit that they stuck on her. It's pretty close to the other. Oh my goodness! Shoes! 2 shoes! Wow, that's a surprise, and a really good one. Lord knows we never get shoes with used dolls. She's pretty good in the hips. There's something about these original shoes that you have to get them just right. Her hair seems a bit short for Rapunzel, but maybe not. I'm pleased with it. She's pretty clean. She's got the purple swimsuit or bodice or whatever you want to call it. I bought some more clothing that I'm going to be tailoring in a video coming up for these dolls, and this costume, after I wash it, will be among those. But she's really clean. Look at how nice she is. Wow, no paint. There's just a little something on her elbows, and I don't even think it's not marker or anything like that, and a little bit here, and that seems to be it. See her feet, and I like this. I wish she had toes, but it doesn't have that purple. I can't say I'm a fan of that. At least it's flesh toned. Cute doll. I'm very pleased. So what new dolls have you bought lately? Leave it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.